So, yes, tell me about yourself.
This Sagar again. Having 5.4 years experience as a Java developer, and I'm currently working in Coach.
Mm-hmm.
So here almost I have been working around the last 5 years onwards,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm working on airlines traveling domain. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and I have very strong knowledge on this domain. Currently I'm working on client Sabre. It
Mm-hmm.
provides software services to all the airlines players. Okay, and what we are doing is they already implemented a software in TPM.
Mm-hmm.
TPM is mainframe technology. Now we are migrating same application into OS system. They are having some issues with this application, so we are planning to this convert into open system. Where my responsibilities are to we are following agile methodology.
Mm-hmm.
My Scrum Master will assign me story. Once story assigned, I have to analyze. If I any doubt, I have to talk with my BA, and after that, I have to do estimate. After that, we have to start development. I have to add in development. We are responsible to add some test cases. This is my roles and responsibility in my current organization.
Okay, so my last question. Just now we want to discuss about Java technical process. So first question is how you comfortable in Java 8
Yeah, currently we are using Java 8 only.
or Java 8? Okay. So in Java 8, what kind of features are integrated. So can you explore about it?
We are in Java 8. We are using optional classes,
Mm-hmm.
Stream API,
Mm-hmm.
intermediate and terminal operations,
Mm-hmm.
and the functional interfaces. Those we are using in daily basis.
Daily basis. Okay.
Yes.
So you know consumer and producer in Java 8.
Yeah, we know consumer and producer, but
I-
we not frequently using those.
Okay.
But we know.
So
Yeah.
what is use of this? Can you explain about that? Hello.
Yes, I'm hearing.
So okay, no problem. Now we want to ask other questions to you. Uh, you know of concept?
Yes.
What is what kind of things you know about the OOP concept?
We know interface encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism,
Hmm.
object creations.
So you know polymorphism?
Yes.
What is this?
Polyform is concept of hiding internal details and showing only functionalities.
In polymorphism.
Yes.
So this is a part of encapsulation as per your abstraction as per your definition. Hiding, hiding
In
means.
general.
So this is not hiding. So encapsulation.
Oh yes. Encapsulation also we are doing. In polymorphism, we are two types of polymorphism, right? One is runtime, one is compile time.
Hmm.
Compile time is overloading, right? Concept of overloading is compile time
Hmm.
polymorphism, and
Hmm.
overriding is type of runtime polymorphism.
Hmm. So can we override static method?
because static method will get the memory at the time of when we load the class. I mean
Mhm.
main method.
Suppose you have a class, a parent class and child class, but we have give static method as a overriding into both classes. So what happen? It will compile and execute or not.
In static method we have in both the
Yeah,
classes, right?
child and
Parent as
parent,
well.
both classes have maintaining.
Mhm.
So what
Yeah,
happen?
it will execute at the time of main method load into the JVM.
JVM execute.
Yes.
So what procedure you will follow if you execute?
No, no, I don't have it.
Yeah, simple, Sagar. Because of static method is a class level method, right?
Yes.
So it
Yes.
can be called through the class name. Simple thing. Why you don't know? Because of you developer, I think you everything you know.
No, I know, but I didn't understand what is the process means. I didn't get your question.
No, I think you if you are doing the coding, your daily basis activity, you
Yes,
know.
yes, we
If
can
you
use
have
it.
any static method, you just give the name of class
Oh,
and method.
yes,
So
you are
why
right.
you telling I don't know, I am not executing or using, right? So this is because of concept need to be clear. So without concept, how do you? Because of you are doing coding, but you never minded in your concept during the coding part. Just you simply take it, call, and you give the output. That things you know because of if you are coming in interview. So that's why
Yeah, you are right.
I
You are
I
so.
I understand you are doing the coding, but how can evaluate to you because of if you not giving answer, so company how to know you are developer or not, right?
Yeah.
So this is the simple thing. This is the simple thing. So just 1 minute. So you know encapsulation,
Yes.
how it is work.
Encapsulation, I think in our project, what we are doing, we are using Lombok, right? Lombok in we what we are doing, we are setter and getter method.
Sorry, dear. Lombok is a different thing. It is avoiding the boilerplate code.
Coding, right. But
So this
I'm
is
saying,
not a concept of my encapsulation. You are not giving the answer because of if you are using Lombok.
no,
Lombok
no,
is different things.
Lombok.
Suppose you know before Java 1.5 and 1.6, right?
Yes,
And
we don't
during
have
that
right.
period, even Java 1.2 is also have encapsulation. So their time,
Yes.
how to their time not have Lombok.
Yeah. Suppose we have class, right? Employee. We will create setter and getter methods, right? And in
So
if you
what
want
doesn't
to,
matter if you suppose Lombok is some different because of I am developer, I am writing getter, setter and everything. So my time consuming is going on. So
yes,
these kind of things I want to avoid. Just annotate at the red Lombok. So it will constructor as per your requirement, constructor and everything will automatically generate. I'm right or
yes,
wrong?
yes, you are right.
Only need to be put as a variable. How much variable you want to access in the particular entity class. So suppose you five variable, just you define it as a private five variable. And
Yes,
Lombok will automatically create a constructor and getter and setter. Everything will do that.
yes.
If you don't want to create a constructor, no argument constructor. and add the right argument constructor. If you apply that, it will do that. Means
Yes.
add no argument constructor means it will create default constructor. Add the right argument constructor, it will create as per the your argument. Means if you have five variables, it will create with the five variable constructor as a default constructor. So
Yes.
where is a gap? Because of this is encapsulation is a different thing. Encapsulation for your reference, just I am telling you, encapsulation mostly bind the variable and method into single unit. Unit just is a runtime unit. If you creating any memory in heap space area, so that will create a object. Inside the object, your variable and method should be bind. That call be a encapsulation. This is the simple thing about that. But
Yes.
all peoples are know encapsulation is binding the data and variable. If I ask how bind, class will bind. Class, everyone know class is a blueprint. It is a structure for writing the concept, not a entity. Entity is a object, real time.
Right.
Okay, so I think you know Java, Spring Boot.
Yeah, I know Spring Boot. Currently, we are using Spring Boot.
So what are the features you know in Spring Boot? Why we are using as of now? Because of current market situation, all companies if they are working on Java technology, so mostly they are using the Spring Boot framework.
Yeah, we know some features like rapid application developer, embedded Tomcat, auto configuration, and we have actuator. Yeah, those.
So what is at the right Spring Boot applications? What is use of this?
At the rate Spring Boot application will the combination of auto configuration, enable auto configuration and configuration.
Hmm.
When we use this, it will load the class and will I mean it will call our right.
You know about JPA.
Yeah, we know JPA. In JPA, we are using projection. We are using native SQL queries.
Your
Yeah, we are
database,
using.
you know database.
Yeah, we are using SQL developer. Yeah,
So
MySQL.
what is use of union all intersection?
Most of it.
No idea.
Mostly we are using.
Suppose if you have employee
Mhm.
inside employee class, we want to like that get the highest second salary. So how do you write the query?
Yeah, we can write subquery, right? Like select max cell from employee. Where
If suppose you write in single query, so what you will do that? You know ordering concept.
yeah, we know.
You can do the order.
Yeah, oh yeah, order by salary we can do.
Order by salary. You put the limit and
Yeah.
what is offset? If you put the offset limit, offset you put the one, it will redirect to index one in 01. It will take the second ISL.
Yes, yes, yes.
If you index two, it will give the third ISL. I'm
Yes.
just giving for your reference because of I think what you know because of what basis I can consider it because of if I will consider it to you so next level what you do that the answer because of not have
Yes.
only one round interview technical I think you
Yeah.
know HR has told you
Yes, yes.
yeah
We
right
this is difficult for me because last 5 years onwards I never give any interview. This is my first interview after
so
five
so
years. So
That's why
I need to go back and brush
that's
up.
why I'm telling you.
Mhm.
You do the preparation because of if you want to switch the
Yes.
company, so everywhere you need to be face this kind of question,
Right. Yeah.
right?
Right.
So because of concept should be clear, then anyone will consider you. So this is the thing about because of I am just asking the simple question. I have not asked to you the deep question, simple question, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism. So this is the basic thing. Just you read out what is use of, just you take the computer and read the concept and you do how it is work, just you practically examine, right? You will clear the concept.
Yeah. Sure. Sure. I'm confused. What is mean by what is what that?
Yeah.
So I have to go and check
This
it.
is working concept is a
Yeah.
different and
Yeah.
interview concept is different because of any any graduate will tell I am working in Java technology, for example. So other company how will I evaluate to that candidate based on the technical skill? If not giving the answer, so how do? Because of your company know you are a developer, but how I can consider you as a developer? This is the thing about that. So here need to be crack the technical concept, then
Yeah.
forward
Got
to
it.
the further round. Right,
Yeah. Yeah.
dear?
Got it. Got it. Yeah. Working is different and doing giving
Interview
the
is
interview
different
is different. Yeah. Yeah.
because of based on your skill set, company will consider the further round.
Yeah. Yeah. I know. Got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
So, okay, so because of what I can ask you, because of, so if you are not giving the answer, if you give what your area is strong, so I can ask, otherwise we can bind it the call, bind the call.
Yeah. We can bind.
Okay, okay. Thank you, dear, thank you.
Yeah. Thank
भैया हाँ हम्म No, è मजबूत है धोखे उन्हें धोखेबाज थी देख ये अपना उसको यूज करेंगे तो वो जरूर बताओ बताइए